All right, everyone, a quick update on XCN here. So XCN, the momentum is trying to shift up, as we can see with that bullish cross here on the stock RSI on the weekly chart. But ultimately, from the high to the low, you're down below that 618. We did bounce off of our green support level here at 00118, which, if you look back in the past, we do have support here, and we have a couple of resistances and support levels back here. So that's why that's on the screen. And we did just bounce off of it, so it is a level to take note of at 118. Now, as long as you're below the 618 here at 1.4, that does put in play dropping back down 15% to that level, and then even the low to the high 786 down here at 1.0 and dropping about 25 to 26%. So just keep that in mind. As long as the market is in the state it's in, we're kind of looking at these downward prices. Now, I'm not taking these opportunities to tell anybody to sell anything. I'm not bearish on anything. I would not be selling right now. If you are bullish on XCN, take these opportunities to load up on your positions. And of course, that is not financial advice here, because I do think XCN, just looking at the overall chart, which I've pointed out in the past, this thing's way below the 236 here. And that's the time to be buying, in my opinion, not to be buying when this thing's already going to the moon. Now, how high is this thing going to go? Of course, first, there is no momentum up. All these lower prices here, these smaller targets, there is no momentum up until you get back over. Let me move this for a moment. Back over the macro 236 here at 0026. So ultimately, on the macro scale, you need to move up. Let's see here, about almost 100%, about 90%, 88%, whatever. But ultimately, there's no momentum up until that. You're not bullish until you're over the 382 at 0059. But I would imagine once you get over that level, that's when everybody's going to be bullish on it, and that's when people are going to be buying in. They won't be buying in down here, so just keep that in mind. And as for coming up to the 786 here at 057, so 5.5 pennies, a $1.5 billion market cap, and a very decent, just to get to a 786 retracement on OX or XCN here, is a almost a 41x, so not bad at all in my opinion for XCN. And if you believe that XCN can hit a new all-time high here, look at this, up to a $24 billion market cap, up to 88 cents. That's going to give you over a 637x on your investment. So comment down below, what are your thoughts on XCN here? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.